So I noticed that when I try to do handstand, there's some problems and this popping sensation in my shoulder. I'm try to see if I can capture this popping sensations. It's like this perpetual snap, crackle, pop in my shoulder. So my equilibrium has been affected. It appears as if I am impaired, but I am not. It's actually my nerve damage. I guess you could say it's a type of palsy or paralysis. Not cerebral palsy, but palsy meaning like a nerve damage, and at the shoulder. Yeah, you can hear that better, maybe. Let's see if I can. It's hard to hear the sound of it. Maybe I should. Can I hear that snapping? Particularly on the left shoulder. Now the right scapula just kind of rings out. So back to rehabilitation of my neck and damaged muscles that go into do a handstand.